Community product pages are getting a bit of an overhaul. Now there will be more tabs and pages to help you find the information you're looking for much faster and easier. The overview page remains the same. Here you'll find information about the community, ask questions, upcoming events, webcast replays, products covered. The only thing not on the overview page is the activity stream. That is now its own page. Many communities will have similar tabs, such as Getting Started and Need Help. There will be a few differences between them. This is how the Getting Started page will look. You can see that there's guides to installing, upgrading, and using, reporting and administrating, add-ons, and much more references. Here's the Getting Started page for the Dev Test community. Same principle, just a little bit of a different look and feel. The Need Help page will bring you here. Here you can click to open cases, log in to view, contact numbers to call support, as well as chat support. The activity page, no longer on the overview page, is its own entity. Simply click activity and you can view everything happening in the community here. Content still remains on its own separate page and looks exactly the same. These are just a few changes to make it easier to find what you're looking for.
Learn as much as you can about your CA solutions. Connect with colleagues around the world. Share your knowledge and ideas. To join, go to communities.ca.com today.